Hello my friends, Irina Bjorn and Bell Books invite you for the autumn program about the sea buckhorn. Sea buckhorn. It's berries which you can see now in the screen. I just sit in the bushes, and these berries is rich of the C vitamins, one of the richest. And the easiest way to make the mask facial for the booming your skin is just take the beer, just crush this, and then put this in the face as it is, and your face will be a little bit yellow, but don't worry. So we will wash this after 20 minutes, but then now it's very early in the morning. I will make my gymnastics first, and then I come at home, and then I wash my face. But just now I boost my skin with the C vitamins, and sea buckhorn, it's the best for the best source for the C vitamins, which exist through all of the berries. It was used in Russian medicine very much, but I use this as much as I can when I go to these bushes. Bell Books, Books for Easy Living, and Irina Bjorna, your wellness coach. See what is the results now. I just take the screen. You can see that skin starts to be a little bit more yellow, but don't worry, it's a lot of C vitamins. See you later in our next program. Bye bye.
If babe you got a problem and life is dark and dull, if day is grand not funny for you my baby doll, please go for help, don't worry, find out what's going on. You'll meet me on the Facebook, YouTube and Amazon. Bell Books for Easy Living, good help for you and me. Bell Books will make you happy, as easy as 1, 2, 3. If life creates a problem, I care less what it is. So baby, have me always, I can show you this. Please call for help, don't worry, find out what's going on. You'll meet me on the Facebook, YouTube and Amazon. Bell Books for Easy Living, good help for you and me. Bell Books will make you happy,